Dr. Oguntoyinbo Olakanmi, a lecturer from Department of Food Science and Technology, Lagos State University of Science and Technology, Ikorodu. So my project is on optimization of banana peel flour optimization of banana peel flour to produce cookies. Banana peel flour is a waste product that people normally discarded, but in the modern day now, it can be generated to wealth. We can make waste to wealth now, and it has a lot of nutrients, dietary fiber. It has some minerals that is very rich to the body, and people that have high glycemic index can take it. I mean, people that have cardiovascular disease, people that have diabetes, they can be taking the cookies produced from banana peel flour, and it's very enhancing. And we have been trying to train our students concerning this, even the people in our community, the benefit of banana peel, because it's a waste product that people discard, but now it has become something that has high nutritional enhancement and the vitamins and minerals. It also contains some amino acid profile. Then we have different banana peel flour that we use. We have Omini, Paranta, and Saro. So just in the course of the project, the banana peel was dried to powder. Then it was optimized using design expert. There's a model that we use, using both Ekem and some other model that we use to produce the flour. Then from the banana peel flour, we have Saro or Mini. Then optimization gives us about 13 runs. Then the best was picked, the control, and we use about 5 to 15% banana peel flour to produce, and about 5% was picked as the best. Then it was now taken to the for analysis to check the heavy metals, the nutrient, the amino acid profile, the protein content of it, the minerals, and other nutrients that are present in it. And it has given us a good result. And my team, we are also working on accelerated storage, that we store the banana peel flour for about 40 degrees Celsius, 45 and 50 degrees Celsius, to know and study the shelf stability of the product. And we have also determined the heavy metals of the product produced from the banana peel flour. And we also check about the amino acid profile and also these scents. We also determine the scents of the product in terms of the thickness and the texture. Okay, this particular objective of this is just to turn waste to wealth. Banana peel flour is a waste, and it has been, from the study and from the literature, it has been discovered that it contains some nutrients that is very vital to human. Also, the diabetic patients can also take the cookies produced from banana peel flour. People diabetic patients and people that have low glycemic index and high glycemic index can also make use of this cookies produced from banana peel flour. No, I've been able to reach out with our students, even my community. We have even the community in our environment here. We have been to reach out to them, that people that have some cardiovascular disease like diabetes and other ailments, they can be taking the cookies produced for that, because we have checked from the control limit according to WHO, World Health Organization. Then the control, we are able to compare with the control limit, and it's suitable to be consumed. And we also check the heavy metals. I mean the mercury, lead, which can cause cancer and some other things. So it has been checked and it has been confirmed from the analysts that we can make use of that. The project has helped me a lot. Even it's helped our team a lot. We are able to derive a lot of things in terms of the nutrients, the health benefit of the peel. We have been able to educate people with the funding. We are going to, even some research is still carrying on. We are still carrying out some research now that's ongoing now, that we want to talk about the accelerated storage, how durable it will be. I mean the shelf stability of the product, how will it last long? And we are still going on that. The work is in progress in that also. It has, in terms of product development, it has completely, in terms of developing a product, like I said earlier before, that there is a model that we normally call it design experts. Now, in the modern days now, you cannot, okay, let me use 20% of this 20. You have to use a machine, a model that will help you to design that, okay, use about 5% of this, use about 2% of this, so that in order to have a good product and for full security and full safety. No, we have not. We have not established anything, but in our lab we have been trying to do some pilot planting and some other laboratory work on that. But further research is still ongoing on that. Okay, I'll be able to reach out to people, the unemployed people, the entrepreneur, the market women, people that are the less privileged, and even in our community, I've been able to discover them that people that have some challenges, that have some health challenges, be taking cookies produced from this pill. And people, they are amazed that can do things come from a waste? It's very necessary. It has some high nutrients, even the fiber. And people that have glycemic index, low glycemic, high glycemic, they can be taking that cookies from this product. Very rich, and people have been enjoying it. Some people are even doing it at home. And we have been able to reach out to my community, and some people are still coming for training concerning that they really love, because instead of taking drugs, your food can be your medicine. In our field, so our slogan is what? Food is life. So when you take your food, instead of taking medicine, your food can be your medicine. Instead of taking drugs and some other things, because there is a control limit to that, according to the WHO from our results. Yes, we have been clamoring. Even in some, we have written some journals concerning that people have been commenting, and we have some journals on ResearchGate, Google Scholar, ORCID, and some other things, and the community as a whole. And even some people are even calling for training and said there is no cost for land, there is need for us to come and train them. We train them, and people, they are really enjoying it. And we have reached out viral concerning that, and people say that they love the products. We have been trying, but the only major challenge is the funding. Because in cookies production, there needs a lot of finance. But I've been able to reach out with some NGOs, some entrepreneurs, even in our field. Because I'm a member of Nigeria Institute of Food Science and Technology, I've been able to reach out with some people there, their production and quality control manager. And they have been asking for the SOP. But my major challenge is that I need to patent the product before I can give it out. Because it will not be a copyright that people will be, the knowledge from me, from us, that people will be taking that. So we want to patent this before we give it out to them, because they are going to develop a product. We have even been planning to produce cake, bread, and some other food product from it. Even noodles, this particular product we want to determine because of the high dietary fiber content that the banana peel flour contains.